Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find your cPanel login information, including your password. So let's get right into it. Now I'll be using this archive Reddit post because I don't have cPanel, so I can't really access that point to actually show you guys. And when it comes to actually finding your password, it's not really possible, simply because it is a huge security risk to have it listed on your account. For example, if somebody logs into your account, if you leave your account logged in on a computer and somebody sees it, they can access your password and hack your account, which is of course really, really bad. However, you should get an email when provisioning your hosting. If you're using a third-party hosting service such as Hostinger or something like that, you should get an email where you, on your email address where you registered your account, for Hostinger and cPanel, you should get a provisioning email with your username and your password, most likely. If you're trying to log in through the URL and access cPanel that way, then you'll get a login prompt. If you don't know your password, if you can't find it anywhere, then you can just click to reset it and enable a new password, or you can also use your hosting on your hosting service, such as Hosting or HostGator or whatever, and you should be able to change your password for cPanel over there. You might also be able to access the htaccess file through the cPanel file manager if you're logged in. However, not sure if that is just your web hosting login username and password, or if it's related to cPanel. You can try it out and maybe use it. However, usually I would just recommend that you just go to the login to cPanel page by entering your domain, your domain .com/cPanel or :2083, which is the cPanel port. But yeah, that is pretty much all I can advise you guys to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.